Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So if you are learning coding and want to learn more about it and master it at an advanced level and want to get a job at the MNCs like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, okay. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So this is the particular bootcamp that has been launched by the DevNest. Okay. So the most important part of this bootcamp is that this is the zero cost bootcamp. Okay, the timeline is this 7 month. Okay, so in the whole 7 months you will learn the full stack development from the beginning to an advanced level. Okay, so let's see the all the details. Okay, in the one by one. Yeah. So the 7 month is divided into three parts. So in the first 2 months you will learn the data structure and algorithm. Okay. So after DSA you will learn the front end development. The front end development is about the 3 month. After completing the front end you will learn the back end within the 2 months with the projects. Okay. So you will get the practical experience also. So let's see the one by one. First of all is the data structure and algorithm. So you will learn the Python programming languages, okay, the hashing, array, okay, binary search, etc. Okay. After that you will learn the front end web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js framework. After you will learn the back end like the SQL, middleware, okay, the payment gateways, Docker, sockets, etc. So how do you particularly enroll for this program? So just sign up on the devness.in, then go to the dashboard section. On the dashboard section you will get the Discord server and the WhatsApp group link. Just join the groups, and in that particular groups you will get the next information about your steps. Okay. So let's see the like how these live classes are going to happen. Okay. So the classes are going to be happen on the Mondays, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days in a week at the 8 p.m. Okay. So the every ending of the live classes there will be also doubt solving session. So if you have any doubt and query regarding any kind of stuff, so you can ask about it. Okay. The most interesting part is that during learning there will be the company will also organizing the hackathons, contest, workshop. Okay, so you can participate in that and show your practical knowledge. Okay, what you will learn in the sessions. So like while during your boot camp, they will also prepare you for the mock interviews. Okay, how to build solid portfolio on the LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, how to build the interactive resume. Okay. Okay, so once you complete the course you will receive a certificate of completion. Okay. Also the DevNest company will provide you job assistance, okay, in the like many tech companies, okay, growing startup and unicorns. Also the core team will provide you the referral on the like personal referral to their personal networks, okay, also. So like that's it for the today's video. So if you like it, then share and subscribe. Thank you for the watching.